Hi friends. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. How does tea grow? Tea comes from leaves picked from an evergreen bush called Camellia sinensis. Black, green and white tea are all made from the same plant. The different colors and flavors depend on the climate and location that the tea is grown in. And then also in the way the tea is processed. Tea grows best when the climate is warm and there is plenty of rain. A tea plant starts life as a seed or as a cutting taken from the parent plant. On this plantation in India they usually use cuttings. The small plants are protected from sunlight and pests inside this polytunnel. This is where they will grow for 10 months until they are 60 centimeters tall and ready to be planted in the main fields. After 3 years the bush is mature enough and they begin picking the tea. In India tea is harvested all year round. They only pick the 2 newest leaves and the bud. Because almost all tea is picked by hand. The tea bush is kept at waist height so it's easier for the workers to reach. New leaves are picked from the bush every 7 to 15 days. The tea leaves are taken from the fields to the processing house on lorries. The lorry has specially designed hooks to hang the bags of tea on. This stops the leaf spilling out or getting damaged. Once the tea arrives at the factory, it's unloaded and checked for quality. Next, the tea is loaded onto the special machine and taken to be processed. First, the tea is dried. This process is called withering. They wither the tea by blowing warm air over the leaves. The withered leaves are then placed onto a conveyor belt, ready for the next step. This machine finally chops and flattens the leaves. Then a process called oxidation starts. This develops the flavor of the tea and makes it change from a bright green to brown color. Now the tea needs to be dried out completely. This oven is warmed up to 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and the water content reduces from 86% to 3%. It takes 4 kilograms of fresh leaves to make just 1 kilogram of dried tea leaves. The dried tea is now graded in this machine. Each sieve is a different size so it collects the largest leaves at the top and the smallest ones at the bottom. The larger leaves are used for loose leaf tea. The smaller ones will go into tea bags. Once the tea has been processed, it is loaded into 60 to 70 kilogram tea sacks. They are lined with silver foil to protect the tea from absorbing moisture. Ready to be made into tea bags. This video may help a lot of farmers. Share this video with your all friends. We need your support to do this kind of work. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we publish new video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.